Welcome to MySolusy, your all-in-one business solution. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to register your company on our website. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to www.mysolusy.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Get Started button in the center of the page. Now, fill in the required details, including your name. Enter your full name. Company name. Provide your organization's name. Subdomain. Choose a unique subdomain. Email. Enter a valid email address. Password. Create a secure password. Confirm password. Re-enter the password to confirm. Once all fields are filled, click Send Code to register. After this, it will ask you to verify your email. You will get a verification code in your email. Now, put your verification code and complete the registration. Then this will take you to the login page. Now enter your email and password and click Login. Congratulations! Your company is now successfully registered with MySolusy. After logging in, you will be greeted with an overview of MySolusy, where you'll find the demo for small team, subscription for premium, and contact us for custom solution. Now, let's choose the demo option. It will activate your demo account successfully. Here, you need to update your profile with detailed info. After finishing, you can submit it. And that's it. You're now ready to take full advantage of MySolusy's features to grow and manage your business efficiently. Thank you for watching this video and for choosing MySolusy, your all-in-one business solution. See you inside.